What happens when you let artificial intelligence run your side hustle for an entire week? That's exactly what I did. I stepped back and let a stack of AI tools create my content, schedule it, and even help with monetization, all while tracking results like a digital assistant on steroids. In this video, I'll break down the setup, the tools, the wins, and the uh-oh moments. And stay with me because at the end, I'll show you how this exact system can power your own faceless YouTube channel too. Oh, and if you're wondering if AI tools are just hype, I thought the same. But what happened on day 3 genuinely surprised me. I'll get to that shortly. What shocked me most wasn't that AI could do the tasks. Anyone who's used these tools knows they're powerful. What surprised me was how quickly everything aligned once I stopped micromanaging and let the system run. It felt like going from being the worker to being the manager overnight. Let's start by setting up the AI brain. Day 1 was all about choosing the right AI tools for the job. Here's what I picked. Writesonic, or Writer, for writing captions, emails, product copy, and blog posts. Canva for creating stunning social content and branded visuals. TubeMagic to manage scripts and titles for YouTube. Zapier to automate repetitive tasks like content posting. ChatGPT, my daily co-pilot for brainstorming and planning. Each tool handled a part of the business, like mini employees that never sleep. I configured Writesonic to reflect my tone of voice, used Canva's Magic Write to help plan posts, and even asked ChatGPT to outline the full week of content. I also added a few small rules to keep AI consistent with my brand. For example, I told Writesonic to follow a friendly but direct tone, and I set Canva to automatically include my brand colors. It's small details like this that make AI output feel personalized instead of generic. With TubeMagic, I was able to pull in keyword-based video ideas that were actually worth posting. Not random trends, but evergreen topics tailored to my niche. TubeMagic also helped me identify which ideas were too competitive and which had the perfect balance of search demand and low competition. This alone saved me hours of pointless brainstorming. Next, running the side hustle on autopilot. Once everything was set up, I handed off daily operations to AI. Writesonic generated my email content and Instagram captions. Canva batch created 5 days of carousels, quotes, and promo graphics. TubeMagic outlined and optimized 3 video ideas for YouTube Shorts. Zapier triggered post uploads across socials. Here's where it got interesting. On day 3, AI recommended a post timing shift. I went with it. Engagement went up 18%. This wasn't just random. TubeMagic and Zapier were pulling in performance data, and AI noticed that my audience interacted more heavily around mid-morning instead of late afternoon. That's something I would have never discovered manually without diving into analytics for an hour. I had no idea something as small as posting 45 minutes earlier could make such a difference. But this is where the data-driven part of AI really shines. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. On day 4, AI auto-scheduled a post with a pretty generic caption. Lesson learned. Always do a quick human review even if AI is doing the heavy lifting. That mistake actually helped me refine the system. I added a rule in Writesonic, telling it to avoid vague phrases like, "check this out" or "this is amazing," and instead focus on specific value-driven sentences. Instantly, captions improved. What happened by day 7? That said, 90% of the work was still automated. I spent maybe 10 minutes fixing that caption. Compare that to manually writing everything. Still a win. Let's talk numbers. My Instagram saw a 30% engagement increase. Email open rates jumped from 24% to 38%. One affiliate post earned $127 in commissions. YouTube video scripts were batch prepped 2 weeks in advance. And keep in mind, none of this required trends, luck, or posting every hour. It was just AI following a consistent schedule for 7 days. Consistency really does outperform perfection. Best part? I worked less than 1 hour per day. By the end of the week, I was blown away. AI didn't just save time, It made smarter decisions than I would have made in real time. But here's the twist. I didn't just want AI to manage tasks. I wanted to see if AI could help me make money. So I tested one extra layer, a micro digital product funnel. And remember earlier when I said I'd show you how this setup could run a faceless YouTube channel? We're almost there. But first, let me show you how I tested passive income using this same system. Here's the part nobody talks about. Something else I noticed during this experiment was how much mental space I got back. When AI was handling the boring, repeatable stuff, I actually had time to think about the bigger picture of my business, instead of being stuck inside the constant daily grind. And that's something most people don't talk about. AI isn't just about saving time, it's about freeing up creativity. When I wasn't drowning in tasks, I started seeing new opportunities I had been ignoring for months. For example, halfway through the week, I realized I'd never optimized my own content workflow. AI wasn't just doing things faster, it was doing things in a more organized way than I ever did manually. And honestly, that was a bit embarrassing at first, but it also made something click. If AI can establish a better system in a week than I did in months, then maybe I've been slowing myself down without even realizing it. That's when I started looking at my side hustles differently. Instead of asking, what task can I automate? I started asking, what system can I let AI take over completely? And the moment you shift into that mindset, everything gets easier. You stop micromanaging, you stop overthinking, and you start building things that actually scale. Even if you're just one person working from a laptop. Monetizing with digital products. To test passive income, I also created a quick ebook using Writesonic plus Canva. But instead of publishing on Amazon KDP, I tried something different. Scribble to format it fast. PayHip to sell it directly and keep 90% plus of the profits. Within 2 days, 7 downloads. With affiliate links baked into the ebook, that's where commissions kicked in. I didn't expect the ebook to perform at all, honestly. It was a simple 18-page guide created in one afternoon. But the fact that it earned money so quickly showed me how powerful micro-digital products can be when paired with AI-driven traffic. Canva helped me design the cover, the layout, and the promo images. I didn't need to touch InDesign or any complicated software. Just drag, drop, and done. And with Scribble, formatting the book took less than 20 minutes. It gave me instant mock-ups too, so I had promo material ready to go. This mini funnel I built, ebook plus affiliate links plus PayHip, earned more passively in 2 days than some of my active posts. And here's the secret sauce. Every download wasn't just a sale. It was a piece of content that continued to generate traffic from inside the ebook itself. When someone read it, they were clicking the affiliate links embedded inside. One product turned into a small ecosystem. Now, for my recommendation. Here's what I used and recommend. Writesonic. If you're tired of blank pages, this is my go-to tool for content creation. It's like having a writer on demand. Canva. It wasn't just about making things look pretty. I used Canva for visuals, carousels, even my ebook layout. TubeMagic. Perfect for anyone running a YouTube channel. It helped me organize scripts, titles, and thumbnails faster than ever. Scribble and PayHip. Want to skip Amazon fees? This combo helped me create and sell ebooks directly to my audience. And if you want to try any of these tools, I've added my links in the description below. Full disclosure, some of them are affiliate links, but I use them personally and recommend them because they work. This one's a game changer. Test your links inside your ebook before launching. Make sure they're trackable. You'd be shocked at how much data you can gather from just one digital product. And here's another tip that most beginners miss. Use Canva to create 3 different ebook cover variations. Then ask ChatGPT which one feels more clickable for your demographic. It's like having a built-in focus group. This experiment proved something big. You don't need to hustle harder, you just need smarter tools. I opened this video by asking what would happen if I let AI run my side hustles for a week. The answer? It worked. It worked way better than I expected. But here's the part you'll want to stick around for. The same exact system can be applied to faceless YouTube channels. In fact, TubeMagic had already prepped 2 weeks worth of video ideas that I didn't even get to use yet. I'm not done yet. Next, I'm scaling this system for YouTube automation and testing how it can run without me for a full 30 days. Let me know in the comments if that's something you want to see as a video. So hit subscribe if you're curious about what happens next. Want to see how AI can build an entire YouTube channel for you without ever showing your face? Tap the video on screen to watch the free walkthrough. And if you want to build the same system I use, the tools are waiting for you in the description. What happens when you let AI run your income stream for 30 days? That's what I might test out next. See you there.